What is up, everybody? We're gonna be watching some crashes and close calls, utilizing the plan method so that we don't have these ourselves. We're just gonna explain some of these things.
Today I have really intense video for you. It's really worth learning from the mistakes of other riders, and I hope this episode will be a good lesson. So,
we're gonna have a good lesson.
Ride safe.
Ride safe. Oh. Are we gonna dump the bike? We held it up. So we weren't truly paying attention.
Today I have really intense video for you.
We almost fell right there.
It's really worth
so we're looking. We have this vehicle. It looks like that truck is supposed to go on the other side.
Riders, and I hope this episode will be a good lesson.
So we should go in our first available lane here. So don't go into that next lane. So practice. YouTube's acting a little funny. So practice your skills. Right now, there's a 30% off sale on my shop where you can practice your Smart Rider drills. And you can practice all that stuff. So friction zone, throttle control, lots of different drills. You only need a small area, 10 cones, which we actually got some cones coming in pretty soon. Or just 5 tennis balls cut in half, you have 10 cones. So practice that so that you don't get on this area and freak out. You can make those sharper turns. All right, we have a close call right here. Let's see what happens. We have a side of the vehicle popping out. We're gonna go ahead and do a nice emergency swerve. Good job. So now we can talk about the plan method a little bit here. So right now we're in a decent position for safety. I'd like to be in the middle, but this is fine. Nobody's in front of us. We have blind corner basically because of the hedges. This is like an urban, residential, whatever area. I don't know exactly where this is at. So you're gonna have cross traffic here and there. So we're locating these hazardous situations. And a hazardous situation is intersections. A lot of people pull out in front of us. So we have to assess any relevant threats. And then once that relevant threat, which is this vehicle pulling out, it becomes an active one. And so when it becomes an active one, we have to do something. We're on red alert, action time, emergency swerve, emergency braking, emergency acceleration. Those are really good tools that you can have in your tool belt. So you can use either one of them or some of them. So it's Germany. Oh, very nice. And so we're getting up to here. Okay. Did YouTube freeze? There we go. So get up to here. We see this. We're going to go ahead and do an emergency swerve left to put ourselves in a brand new position for safety, which is not hitting anything. So we're in this lane now. But now, when it comes to position for safety, we're in oncoming traffic lane. Okay, we have to get ourselves back into our lane. So we are in a hazardous situation. It is an active threat. No cars are coming, but still, I don't want to be here. So we have to put ourselves back into this new position over here. So very good. So what happened? I don't know. Let's find out. So we're going through the corner. Probably road surface hazard? Yep. Probably road surface hazard. It looks like a little bit of gravel. Maybe applied a little bit of brake at the same time. We lost traction. We dumped the bike. But as a smart rider, we are acquiring and using personal protective equipment oh, yeah, definitely. Just in case something like this happens. So I saw a bunch of road debris. Or is that the crack in the road? So we probably hit a crack in the road, probably had some issues, it messed up our traction. There could be dirt and gravel inside that little nasty area right there, and then we dumped the bike. So try to avoid that. Try to go into the areas that don't look like that. Big group ride. I have no idea if this is a copyrighted song, so we're going to mute that. Big mob ride. People are just going to do a bunch of different things. Egos start getting in the way. And then people start crashing. So part of rescuing other people is to make sure we stop any major bleeds and ensure our own safety and remain calm. So his shoe fell off, not good. No helmet, or there was one, but he took it off. Okay. Hopefully no major injuries. He's not getting up very quickly. That's not good. So we do have safety here because now traffic's going to really hit us because everyone's blocking everything. My only concern is that they're going to be okay. A little scooter bro. He's limping. So let's get the bike off the road and then get him off the road and then double check if any bleeds so we can maybe patch him up a little bit and he can be on his way. So we're coming up to here. Good space cushion.
Safe distance from the cars ahead, and in a landing situation, there's plenty of time to notice.
I like this space cushion right here. This is good.
The danger and react appropriately.
Oh, road debris. Move out at new position. Okay. So it's going nuts right here. I was trying to pause it, but YouTube's acting kind of weird. So we're coming up to here, road debris. So we're in a position for safety. We're going to see what happens here. Position for safety. We locate a hazard, assess, navigate. Now we have to swerve out of the way, right? New position for safety. Very good. But what's happening next? Okay, I hit the space bar. Let's go ahead and go. There we go. Oh, a lot more stuff. It's a ladder. Now we have to do it again. So once again, it's constantly moving. Oh, now we got this. Oh, crap. We're going to watch it after this. Don't worry about it. We'll do full mode. Oh, crap. What do we have here? Mercy braking. Hey, we found a gap. We're going to go. Okay. YouTube is acting weird. So we're at 202. Let's go ahead and refresh. You guys are watching this live. I always replay the... I always tell myself what timestamp. Okay, we'll just watch it full. So good job. Position for safety, locating a hazardous situation, assessing, navigating. Back to position, back to locating, back to navigating, back to the... Constantly doing this on high alert. Handled it well, did not panic. MTC awareness stage did not hit that brown stage where he slammed that front brake, had to layer down. Didn't have to do any of that. Very good. We're just going to watch it all the way through right here.
Maintain a safe distance from the cars ahead and in
so good position, good space cushion, hasn't escaped.
And react appropriately.
Okay, road surface hazard, new position, very good. New position, very good. Uh-oh, very crazy. Now we're swerving. Now we're doing this. Now new position. Now we're going to come over here and see what we can do to rescue everyone else. Handled it extremely well.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Remember when this was popular when they would do that? So he dumped the bike.
No way.
Okay.
No.
So time to rescue. First, let's remain calm, ensure our own safety. Good job pulling off to the side to ensure your own safety.
Oh my God.
Now we're going to get our rescue pack.
This happened to me.
30% off on the store. You get a tourniquet and a bunch of other stuff. Or you can build your own. I'm not worried about his bike. I'm worried about him. But that's just me.
Pick the...
I think a lot of this is that it's like, let's get out of here type of a feel. And I don't really care because I'm not doing crazy dumb stuff that will get me in trouble.
I was going like 20.
All right, you're good.
I'm fine. I'm totally fine.
More like 40. All right, side of the vehicle. Okay, slow it down. Not a big deal. So we slowed it down and let them out. Okay, we're going... It looks like we're going fast, but not really. We're only going 50. Yeah, road surface hazard will do it to you. So try to avoid the patchwork on a road. Aim for the areas that look like the road, not different spots. I mean, this could be gravel, this could be patches, this could be tar snakes, this could be oil, this could be ice, this could be something. Discoloration, usually not good. So find the area of the road that looks like a normal road, which means you're going to have to slow it down so you can navigate through that stuff. So I consider this a relevant threat. Thankfully, the bike stabilized itself. Going home after cruising around downtown late at night, and then some guy pulls up acting all crazy. Previous footage sped up to 12x to show it was unprovoked, and the guy is just crazy, probably drunk. Okay, here we go. Oh, geez, we're going really fast. Okay, drunk people, let them go. If they hit a car, that still sucks, but the car at least has airbags, seatbelts, and all that stuff. If we get hit, we are screwed. Okay, it's green light. I would just maintain this. Exactly. Just maintain this. He's turning right, supposedly. Either accelerate past or stay behind. Don't be side by side.
What?
Like, I don't like people enough to be able to talk to them.
What did I do? What?
There's no reason to do that.
What did I do? What did I do?
Even talking to people like this escalates it because they just don't want anybody to talk to them back. They just want to yell at people. So, yeah, just let them go up front. Leave them alone. And if you're like keep getting into red lights like this, just pull into a parking lot for like 3 minutes. Listen to one song and then move on. I just don't like people.
A completely unexpected situation.
Open lane, maybe?
For no reason, completely ignored the red light, passing the radio by almost few inches.
Accelerate. At that point, you accelerate out. Because stopping is not going to be good. And they're honking the horn at us. It's like, dude, you had a red light. It's green for me. You can see it. This person saw it, probably. decided to stop. That person almost got T-boned like 5 different ways. Very lucky on the motorcycle rider.
Sorry.
Oh, we already on the ground. Okay. Two bikes on the ground. Us and the other guy. Everyone's chill. Maybe we were supposed to be turning left and somebody went straight.
Well, I didn't pick a shout.
Oh, it looks like we were coming from the other direction.
No,
Yeah, we're coming from the other direction. Crashed and we slid to this point. Okay. Close call in DC as politicians. Security detail runs the red light in front of us. That's... Even as a firefighter, we couldn't do that. You're not supposed to. They feel like they have all the power in the world. Oh, side of the pedestrian. Good job moving over. Didn't even look both ways. Handled it. New position for safety. Located that hazard. All right. Good job staying staggered.
It's worth avoiding the blind spots. The driver in this situation.
Is it a Prius? Yes, it is.
He noticed the rider in time.
Okay. This is why I don't like being in blind spots. Don't like being in blind spots. Either I'm in front or behind. Ride staggered with other cars on the road just like it's a group ride. Keep your eyes in front of you. Okay. Can't see much. A little bit foggy. Not a big deal. Oh. Stop looking side to side. You're traveling on the road. Was white staged just a little bit zoned out. This is why we want to zone in. Okay. A lot of people talk about, hey, I ride motorcycles so I can zone out for my problems. No. What you're really doing is you're zoning into your ride. You're grounding yourself to the ride. You're thinking about riding a motorcycle, which pushes out all the other nonsense in your life. Don't think of it as like I'm just zoning out. It's like do that on the couch at home by yourself. Zone into the ride. Pay attention to the ride. You're good to go.
Oh, man.
Got very close.
Okay, that was a little bit scary. I'm so focused on the almost started the guardrail. Oh.
Got really lucky. All right, having some fun. Not a big deal. What are we gonna have here? Lose some oh, geez. Woo! People cutting corners. It happens. Good job navigating that.
Man.
That would have been very painful. Very painful. All right, having some fun here. Uh-oh, somebody's down. So when I talk about after a crash, have somebody like go like where oncoming traffic is and tell people slow down, at least like stand there, because then it's showing like, this is weird. Maybe I should slow down as a car driver because look what's happening ahead. Ooh, that doesn't look good. So they lost control somehow. Hopefully didn't hit any bikers, but everyone's stopping to help out. Very good. And we're going to move on. Oh, we're going a little fast here. Okay. Nighttime riding, hazardous situation, especially roundabouts. Oh. You might have had to accelerate out of that or let them in, but it's good to know. Just be careful around intersections. It looks like it was Isle, man. Having some fun here on grass. Hopefully no hidden bumps or whatever they hit. Okay, water. This is why I like riding in the back. If anybody crashes, it lets me know what's happening up front, and I can avoid it myself. What's the cable? What's the cable attached to?
You guys good? I'm good. How'd you play? That's right.
Leg hurts? Okay, so he dumped it pretty hard. So he seems to be fine. Yeah, if you want to get the bikes, that's cool, but always check your buddy first. The cable's the intercom. Hey, get yourself a Cardo. You don't have the cable. Oh, open lane pattern already. You can see the truck starting to come over. Oh, geez. Ride staggered with them just in case. So he accelerated out. Okay, you could do that. I also like deceleration.
Come do it.
Look at those haircuts. Oh, so rev bomb, don't let go of the clutch or be in neutral if you do that. Okay, having some fun. Blind Audi driver in Norway, okay. So what do we got here? Somebody gonna turn, kind of slowing down. Why are they slowing down so much? You didn't have to go. You could have just kind of waited. You didn't have to go. You kind of put yourself in that close call. Not a big deal. Okay, good space cushion. Just having fun, relaxing. We're coming up to like an intersection looking area. No? Is there a crash? People are going to slow down and stop. And yep, there's a crash. You want to see if he's okay? You're going to do a nice little rescue. Very nice, very nice. Seems to be doing fine. Walking wounded. He's okay. You can offer help if you need to. Ooh, looks like he got rear-ended.
The heck?
Looks like he got rear-ended. So he seems to be fine. Not much you could do.
Weighing it down, the rear of the bike is smashed into the side and it's just facing the sky. It is not. Honestly, it's not going to damage it any more than it already is. Yep.
So he's taking care of it. Not a big deal. Handled it. Nice little handshake at the end. We saw that video earlier. Thank you guys for joining me on this live stream. This is the 4th video that we did. Usually Thursdays, 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Next week, I'll be doing Wednesday because I'll be out of town. But make sure you guys ride safe, be safe. Utilize the plan method even when you're driving. You'll start to recognize a lot of these things. But if you are riding, hopefully you're riding safe and you have a great weekend. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys later.